Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video by Bodycam Watch, and the title of it is crazy. It's like, yo, it's like people really do this. You hear about these things when your parents tell you, you know, when you're a kid, don't take candy from strangers and stuff like that. But like to actually like see people doing this stuff. Anyway, let me get into the title. The title is "The Moment Cops Find the Man Offering Kids Candy to Get Into His Truck."
On May 5, 2023, officers tracked down a suspect reported to be offering children candy to get into his truck.
What's up, bud? Looking for a Leon, or whatever his name is. Leon?
Who?
Owns that truck.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Okay.
Is he home?
Huh?
Is he home?
I don't know.
Come on, man.
You don't know if he's home?
I don't know. I'm just here.
Okay.
I'm his friend.
Wait, what? You don't know? You don't know? Damn, well, what do you know? Huh? What about that?
Would you be like?
Put your hand out of your pockets, yeah. So, we'll do this a couple of ways, okay? He's not in any trouble right now. Were you in the truck with him earlier? You know why we're here, right? It's the stuff you guys said to those kids over there?
What kids?
Tell them to come out here.
The truck pulled up beside him and asked him if he wanted candy, a PS5, and a Switch to get into the truck.
There's two guys that stopped in the black beat-up truck and they asked us to get in.
Tell them to come out here.
He's in the shower right now.
I'm going to pull everyone out the house. I'm going to get a search warrant.
What? Offer them candy and a PS5? What's up with these guys? Yo, these dudes is sick. Sick. Guys is actually doing this in real life. Like, this is what? Come on, man. Like, yo, and you know what it is, right? It's like these guys are like, could be your neighbor or whatever. Like, you don't know, you know, nowadays they got like apps and stuff that'll let you know, like, you know, near your pedophiles and stuff like that, whatever, or who's living in your neighborhood and stuff, like, which is great. You know what I mean? We do need that. But let's say a guy doesn't have that history. You still got these weirdos that, you know, are in your neighborhood. It's like, you don't know who's who nowadays.
Your house.
For what?
Then when he's done with this, that's not how this is going to work. Okay, he could come out here and we could be adults and cordial about it.
He's in the shower right now, bro.
Then tell him just to come out and talk to us when he's done.
Okay, I will.
Tell him to step it up though, because we're not going to sit out here all day.
Fair enough.
Okay. Go let him know.
The only problem would be you guys giving us red flags to not want to talk to us. That's the only problem that could happen right now. Okay.
All right. I got you.
All right.
No problem.
Thanks.
As soon as you got it, I'll have him on here.
Yep. Let him know. Okay.
Yeah, I got you.
Why 23 Central, clear my dog.
Yeah. Love when they play dumb.
Yeah. Let's go. Hey, Bella, do you want to stay in the back?
I told you that you guys are.
All right. Were you with them? Because they described a guy in blue shirt, blue shorts, and all that.
That's funny, blue shorts, because if I was even sitting in the truck, you wouldn't be able to see my shorts, so. Sorry,
Okay.
you're full of shit.
You didn't get out then?
Huh?
You didn't get out?
No, who the fuck's getting out of that piece of shit?
I know you're enjoying the video. I'm sorry that I had to interrupt, but I just wanted to tell you that we now have members only content. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell notification, and make sure you hit right here, join, right? We have supporter, gives you certain perks as far as emojis, badges, and stuff like that. Then we have early access, which is you have early access to the videos that will be coming up on the channel, plus whatever comes in the supporter package. And then you have VIP, which you get everything in the supporter package and in early access, but alongside members only live streams. You can join me on the live stream if you want. And we have exclusive, and I mean exclusive, members only videos. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you join the members only.
I don't know.
Yeah, nobody.
I don't know.
Yeah, exactly.
So, listen, like he said,
Like who said?
the kid with the deputy over here. You got a problem, dude? Do you want there to be a problem?
Do you have a problem?
With you, I do.
I don't have a problem.
No? Okay.
Not really.
All right. And like
I'm
you
just
said-
wondering what the attitude's about, you know? Like,
I just don't like cops.
well, because
He does have a little bit of an attitude. He do got an attitude. I ain't gonna lie. Like, and I feel like for the most part, the cops have been pretty reasonable, pretty respectful. You know what I mean? I don't know about the whole, you know, waiting outside while he's done and stuff like that. I mean, I feel like if that was somebody else, you know, they wouldn't be so, you know, lenient like that. But who knows? You know, maybe they just real chill. You know, oh, let them know and we'll be out here waiting for you. Like, yeah, okay, yeah. Like the cops gonna be waiting. Yeah, all right.
yeah,
You get in trouble, you do stupid stuff on occasion. Yeah.
yeah.
Looks like it. I get it. We all do stupid stuff, right?
Yeah, that's cool.
One day you'll grow up and realize you do stupid stuff and mature.
Okay.
Whose van is this?
Don't know.
People usually act like this when they know they just did something stupid. Shut up, yeah? Yeah, you're really getting there, man.
Is your feelings hurt?
Huh?
Your feelings hurt?
Are my feelings hurt?
Yeah.
All right, buddy.
I'll be right back.
You get me?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
You look pretty good in that uniform.
Thanks, man. They're new uniforms.
Oh yeah.
What's up, man? Good. You drive this truck?
That's not yet.
Okay. You were just out driving around earlier?
No, I don't even run.
No, you were. Don't play dumb.
No, earlier, yeah.
All right, yeah.
Right now,
We had two calls from different people about you driving that truck out. All right.
Yes, sir.
I don't care that you were driving a truck.
No, yes, sir.
All right. Did you talk to anybody on
No,
your?
it's not running.
Did
no.
you just right now?
No, yeah, it's stuck in
I don't care. If,
neutral or some shit.
yeah. What were you up to earlier? Driving
I
around.
just rolled the truck over the weekend. I showed him it still ran.
Yeah, I saw you were in an accident or something like that.
Yes, sir.
So we got 2 reports of you stopping to talk to some kids on the side of the road. So why are you turning and looking at him? What's that look all about?
The hell they started talking over damn kids back.
Yeah, see that look? That's like, yeah, we did something stupid
No, I
and we're
didn't
playing
do
dumb. Somebody did something dumb and you know it was
Shit,
one
no,
of you.
I don't even, honest to God, shit, I'm focused on
2
driving the
people
truck.
called about that truck
Oh, I believe
stopping to talk.
Why is it when someone's guilty, they always bring God into it? You ever notice that? You ever notice that whenever something is going wrong, they always bring God into it, man? That dude got nothing to do with nothing, man. He chilling up top, you know what I mean? You know, vibing out, got his ladies on the side. You know, that's how God get down. But nah, I'm playing. But still, it's like, you're lying.
Talk to some kids,
Oh, I
okay?
didn't stop talking about kids.
Yeah.
Not me.
It was one of you. So Leighton here said he was driving a truck, but has no idea what we're talking about. So.
Well, just listen, guys. So luring and enticing a child, a minor, an adult doing that's a crime. All right.
Yes, sir,
and-
I'm still unaware of what I did. Like, you can pull the camera footage from the corner store here. I never stopped and talked to no kid.
Okay. Well, a 9-year-old reporting something like that to us isn't something
I
a
never
9-year-old
stopped and talked
does.
to no kid.
Okay. He described your truck to a T.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
I don't. Shit.
And
Can't miss it.
someone who was not involved, just a random person, saw you talking to the kid and called it in too before the.
Is Bella on the back still?
Yeah, oh yeah.
325.
Huh?
May I ask where this happened?
Yeah. So a 9-year-old is reporting to us that
Yeah,
someone
where?
in that truck over on Sunnybrook
Yeah, right here by the bar.
made some comments that, hey, you want candy, you want a Nintendo Switch, and there was a third thing.
No shit like that, bro.
No,
I'm just telling you what happened.
The corner
If-
store right over here. You can pull camera footage. You can pull camera footage from any one of these houses, man.
If something else was
That's
said
bullshit.
where maybe the kid thinks that happened,
No,
I mean, that'd be
no, sir.
something to tell us.
I was just giving. I just rolled
I
the
thought
truck
you guys
over
were
the
gonna be here
weekend.
because that thing was on the damn road because it's not road legal.
Yeah, I don't care. We don't see it driving, so I don't.
No, yes, sir. I understand, but
Just if you drive it like that, you
I
can't
didn't
get
stop and talk
stopped.
to no kid. You can pull any camera footage around here.
Did you guys like? I mean, did kids cause you issues? Was there a group of kids
sir.
causing you guys
No.
issues? No.
No.
I mean,
You didn't
I
see
mean,
any
shit,
other
you
black
can
trucks
pull-
on
you
the
can ask
road? Maybe.
No, that shit. You can't miss my truck.
No, I know, but I'm making sure we don't have the wrong truck. Did you guys see another just?
Shit, if you said it ain't got no bed, bitch, I'm the only one around here with no bed.
Okay.
Yeah, I just took it off 2 days ago.
So,
But no, I never said. Shit, if anything, I may have been yelling at him.
Asking him if he wanted candy?
No.
Okay.
I never said candy.
Nobody even said nothing.
I never said candy. Candy never came out of my mouth.
Okay. So,
Copy.
just you guys are being cool now, so we'll speed this along. But basically, we are investigating a crime. All right, at this point, still.
Alrighty.
You told us you were driving the truck. We know he was the passenger.
I got no reason to lie to you.
We're making sure if any IDs, official IDs, can be made. So until I'm gonna go call my deputy now to see if that's happening.
I mean, you need my ID?
No, unless we don't
I
have
don't
it.
have my ID on me, but I did give him all my right
Yeah, you're fine.
information.
So until I get that call that we're done here, you guys are staying right here. Okay. All right.
So we're gonna take a little short ride, and like that paper said, don't feel pressure like you have to, pick somebody out. All right, we don't want to accidentally arrest the wrong person. Okay. I'm around to your location now.
Man, you guys can stand up. Stand about 15 feet apart. Just come on up here. Or I'm just standing in the yard.
Yeah, just you can come in the grass. You're good right there.
Yeah, that's the truck.
Okay. Do you see the person who was saying that?
The blue one.
This guy in the blue?
Yeah,
Okay, how certain are you?
certain.
Turn your radio down a little bit. Just off. Yeah, just down enough where he's about to say something.
That's affirmative.
10-4. Which one?
Blue shirt.
Copy. All right. I'm gonna look up a couple things real quick.
Blue shirt.
Yeah.
You guys can sit back down where you were.
You heard that, right? I'm gonna look up a couple things real quick.
Come here.
Do you want to give me a sworn report statement in regards to what occurred?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. You know the meaning of perjury?
Perjury.
I'll explain it.
No, I don't.
Okay, perjury is a crime in the state of Florida. It can be committed by telling lies or omitting information, which is leaving information out while under oath. Perjury is a crime in the state of Florida. Do you understand what I explained about perjury?
Yeah.
All right, prior to taking a sworn statement, I'm placing on oath. If you could raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the statement you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right. So you know why we're here. We already talked to you earlier. Would you like to say anything about that matter at all?
No.
Do you know what I'm talking about?
I know that we went for a drive, hit a trail, stopped at, well, it's Darcy's house, but we stopped there to talk to Chase because he's staying there right now.
Okay.
And we drove back here.
At any point, do you remember seeing any kids? Or talking to any kids on the side of the road, walking home from school?
I don't remember.
You don't remember?
I don't think we did. I don't believe so.
You don't believe you talked to anybody? Okay. Your chance to be honest with me, did you guys, so you're saying you did not talk to any kids on the side of the road at all?
No.
Not at all?
I mean, I was yelling at Leighton, but I was not yelling to no kids, nobody on the side of the road.
Do you remember seeing any walking by or anything like that?
I was not even paying attention.
Okay. Anything you want to change that or delete from what you told me?
No.
All right. This concludes the statement. Time is 5:13 p.m. All right, you can go sit over there. All right. Leighton, you're free to go. So, Joseph, you need to come with us. Come on. Stand up. I'm going back.
Can I give him my vape? And oh wait, his charger's in my pocket too.
Yeah, what's on you goes with you.
Oh.
Here, man. Can I get my shoes though? So when I do get out of jail.
Those ones right there?
No, them ain't mine. They're mine.
Forget about it.
So you're going for luring, enticing.
That's cute.
It's not cute. It's kind of a big deal.
Yeah, go f yourself.
2 counts. Okay.
Yeah, man, go.
Even if you're joking around, it's so stupid.
Yeah, go f yourself.
Okay.
Yeah, he's yeah, weirdo, man. Let me see what the rest is.
First call, you got something under your car.
Sir.
2 counts of luring a child under 12 years old. Like, you could tell that dude had issues, bro. Like, he always got something smart to say. Like, it's like, I feel like the cops, they came there pretty reasonable. Like, they not reasonable, but they were chill. They was, you know, they doing their investigate. They didn't go all crazy in on them or whatever. And the dude in the blue shirt just had an attitude from the jump. You know what I mean? And man, that's not a charge I would want to be sitting in jail for.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.